Hi everyone! Welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. Today I'm going to teach you how to make moist banana cake. So I've done this before, but I wanted to make a remake of this delicious and moist banana cake. In a large bowl, I'm going to combine the flour, baking soda, and salt. So now I'm going to mix it together using a wire whisk. On a separate bowl, I'm going to mash 3 overripe bananas using a fork. So as you can see, these are overripe spotty bananas and it gives more flavor to the bread. Bananas contain many important nutrients such as potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, magnesium, fiber, and a lot more. It also contains nutrients that moderate blood sugar levels. So bananas are really good for your body. Bananas also contain powerful antioxidants, which are linked to many health benefits, such as reduced risk of heart disease and degenerative illnesses. On a separate bowl, we're going to cream the butter. So I'm using half cup softened butter, so it's softened to room temperature. Now I'm going to add the sugar, so it's 1 cup of sugar. And I'm going to cream this until smooth and fluffy. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs. Now I'm going to mix it until smooth using my handheld electric mixer. Next, we're going to add the mashed bananas. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we will gradually add the flour mixture. So I'm putting about 1/3 of the mixture and I will continue mixing it. So again, I'm adding half of the remaining flour mixture and I'm going to mix it. So I'm just going to add the remaining flour mixture and I will continue to mix it until well blended. Using a spatula, I'm just going to scrape the sides to make sure everything is well blended. By this time, I have preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of chopped walnut, so this is optional. I just wanted to have a little bit crunch on the bread, so I'm putting it in. Lastly, I'm going to add half cup of Greek yogurt. This will add moist and flavor to the bread. Alternatively, you can use sour cream or buttermilk. So I'm going to mix it again until it's well combined. So here's my 9-inch loaf pan and I'm greasing it with canola spray. Then sprinkle some flour. So some of you might be wondering why I'm doing this. I'm doing this to make sure that the cake will not stick to the pan. So now we're going to pour the mixture into the pan. We're going to bake it for 30 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so here's our banana cake. It's now cooked. We will allow it to cool for 10 minutes before slicing. So this is ready. We're now going to remove it from the pan. You can store the banana cake in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 4 to 5 days. Although in my household, it can only last a day because it is so good. Now if you want to freeze it, wrap it in a plastic wrap, then aluminum foil, and put it inside the freezer for up to 3 months. Now I'm going to slice the banana cake and I want to show you how it looks like from the inside. Okay, so there you go. Boom. It's definitely the best banana cake ever. It is so good and so moist. So go ahead, make a loaf and give it away to your friends and families. That's how we make moist banana cake. I hope you can try this recipe. This is actually the best banana cake I've ever made. Click on subscribe and tap the bell icon to receive notifications on our latest video. And comment down below if you have any suggestion that you want me to do on my next video. Don't forget to visit our website at www.pagkaingpinoytv.com to get the full recipe. Don't forget to follow us in Instagram and Facebook page at Pagkain Pinoy TV1, where we also post our daily videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!